everyone, good morning, Happy New Year. So 2023 has begun with a very good way that we are doing hair restoration with passion. So the whole team is back to work. Clinic Dr Inder is very active again for 2023. I'd like to thank my patient for the first day of working of 2023 is our patient today. So Happy New Year to you and thank you so much for the support on the first day of 2023. We are all geared up and you can see today's patient has what he wants to do is focus on his front. There is a hairline and on top of the hairline this area because it's lost his hair, the seated, there's full of hair all over. You can look at that, full of hair, but then he's, you can see he's got a bond with another with a broad forehead and a very high hairline, and he wants to lower it, which is okay. It's got plenty of donor density behind, and then he's the right candidate to do so. So hairline is done with a little bit of temple points, both the side temple angles. It lost hair around this area more than this side. So you can see it's a beautiful hairline drawn that suits his face because his face is kind of a little bit broad at this area. So the hairline is kind of a little bit flat so that it will blend with his face. So that's it. So Happy New Year to everyone again. Happy New Year to my team. Happy New Year to my staff. Happy New Year to my patient, to this patient today, and all my patients. Everybody have a great year. Thank you so much.